What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how I make peanut butter cookies. Ooh, they are so good. So, let's get started. Okay, first things first, you gotta get a mixing bowl with a sifter. What you need is 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. That's about there. Then we need 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder. So 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder straight in. Now we just sift this in the bowl. Just like that. Now we are whisking. See, that's what combined. Now we just put it to the side and we'll get on to the next part. Alright, then get a large mixing bowl. I've got a stand mixer. So what you need is 1/2 cup of room temperature butter. There we go. Now the 1/2 cup of white sugar. And then 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar. And now we cream this together until it's well combined and light and fluffy. Oops. I need to take the bowl. Hold on a second. There we go. Now we just mix this until it combines light and fluffy. So now this is done. Now it's all fluffy and creamy. Now we need 1 cup of smooth. We need 1 cup of smooth peanut butter. Now just mix this in. Now you add 1 large egg. Then you add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Hot about good. And now we completely mix it in. Alright, now low speed. You get the dry ingredients and then add a spoon. Alright, and now you're gonna good size baking tray. I greased it and put some parchment paper on top. Now, what I like to do is, I like to use this scoop to scoop the cookie dough. So, let me show you how I do it. You see? Then I scoop in my hand and roll it. Just like that. Then you place them like this. Now, what you want to do is turn your oven on to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, but I have used a convection oven, so I'm going to do 340 degrees Fahrenheit. So, let me finish rolling this into balls and I'll be right back. So, as you can see, all the way down. Now, I'm also going to show you a cool way to fry this. You see, you just get the small bowl of sugar, stick your fork in, and then you flap it down, just like that. Then you do the remaining. Now, I actually did this when I went to a Cuyahoga Valley Career Center. I learned how to do this, and it works so well. Dipping the fork in the sugar. You can also sprinkle some sugar on top if you like. So, yeah, I mean, this recipe is very, very simple, and it doesn't take really long to do it. So, yeah, I'll probably put the link to the recipe in the description. So, if you guys want to try it out yourself, go for it. So, I'm gonna go finish planting these out, and I'll be right back. Now, what I'd like to do is sprinkle a little bit of sugar on the top. Just like that. Now we'll put this in the oven for about 10 minutes. And we'll see how they turn out. Oh, look at those. Oh, sorry. These turned out perfect. They just leave them on there to cool. And then you can take them off, but then serve it and gobble it all up. These cookies are awesome, so thumbs up for that for sure. Guys, my dad's gonna try the peanut butter cookies I made. You like them?
Fantastic, Eli. Well done.
Well, guys, that was so much fun making those peanut butter cookies on my channel. Even my dad loved them. So if you guys want to try out the recipe, the link to the recipe will be down below in the description. So you can try yourself and yeah, I got a lot of likes on this one. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, leave a comment. See you all next time. Have a nice day and peace out.